Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Payhip website tutorial. Before going in, Payhip is a platform that allows anyone once you have internet access to start selling online. With Payhip, you don't have to worry about paying, as it is not a platform that will charge creators to upload a product or anything like that. You can use their platform for completely free. And unless you make money, they won't make money. What do I mean by that? Well, if we were to look on their pricing option, you can see they offer a free forever plan. The only thing is, with every sale that you make, they will take a 5% transaction fee, and that's it. If you want to go onto their paid plan later on, you can do that. It starts off at $29 per month. But I would recommend that you start off with the free plan until in the future, if you want, you can go onto their paid plan. And you can sign up for completely free by tapping on sign up for free, or you can use the link in the description to create an account. After you have created an account, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and you're going to tap on products from the top navigation bar, or you can select add your first product right there. After tapping on products, you can tap on add new. Then you can decide what type of product you would like to create. Whether it is a case that you would like to create a digital product, for example an ebook, software, or audio, you can select this option. If it is a case that you would like to sell your course, you could select course. If it is a case that you would like to sell membership, you can select membership, or physical product, or coaching services, or a combination of more than one services. So let's say for example we were to select digital product. After selecting digital product, you will be redirected to this page, and you can upload the product file right here. So you would tap on upload product file, and for example if it is an ebook that you're selling, this is where you would upload the manuscript or the ebook pages. So let's say for example I'm uploading an ebook, or let's say just this right here. So I'll simply select this poster, tap on open, and you can see it has been added. After doing that, you can put in the name, then you can put in the price right there, and this is where you would put the mock-up image or the ebook cover. So you'll tap on upload a product image, and this is where you would put the mock-up image right there. So I'm just going to use the same example. Then you will scroll down, and from here you could add in a description of your product. Then you can choose to make it visible so others can see it. After doing that, if you would like to access their advanced options, you can tap on that, and you can see if you would like to add variants or variations, you can do that. You can also make this product a tax exempt, and I'm just going to tap on product is an ebook. After doing that, you'll tap on add product at the bottom of the page. Once you have done that, you could tap on show me my product page, and you can view your Payhip product page, so you can see how it looks right there. Now I want you to go back to your Payhip dashboard. Once you have added your product, you're going to need to tap on store. After selecting store, from here you will be able to tap on launch your store builder. After selecting launch your store builder, you will be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you'll now be able to design your website to your liking. At the moment, this is how my website looks. So if we were to select preview in the top right hand corner, this is how it looks at the moment. So you can see the different products that I've listed, and you can also see the about me section. Now if I would like to edit that, all I would need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there I could, for example, start on the collection right here. I could select collection, and then from there I could change the aspect ratio if I want. So I could change it to square. You can see it has been adjusted. You can change it to standard if you want, or you can change it to 4:3, and you can see how it looks right there. You can see the different options. I could select widescreen, and you can see how it looks right there. But I would recommend that you select adapt, and that's basically mean that whichever device a person should use to browse your website, it will adapt to that device. You can also choose whether you like to show the price or not, so you could select no if you want. So I'll tap on yes. You can also select the amount of products that you would like to display, whether it will be 4 or 3. as you can see right there. You can also adjust the spacing, and you can also adjust your mobile layout too. And you can scroll down. You could change the background by tapping on background, and from there, if you would like to adjust the background to full width, or you like to incent, you can do that. You can also change the color scheme, as you can see right there, by tapping on color scheme. So let's say, for example, instead of it being light, you would like it to be dark, you could do that. Or you want it to be highlight, you could do that also. And you could tap on edit and change the highlight color. Once you have finished making your changes, you can tap on save changes in the top left hand corner. And if it is a case that you would like to add a section, you can tap on the add in the top left hand corner right there, and you could tap on section. After you have tapped on section, you can see the different sample sections that you can add. So if it is a case that you would like to add a slideshow or a video or a FAQ section, you can do that real quick. So let's say, for example, we would like to add a slideshow. You can tap on slideshow right there, and you can see the sample slideshow. Then you could simply select it, and it will be added, as you can see right there. After doing that, you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on image slide, and from here you could upload the images that you would like to use in the slideshow. You can also make it clickable right here by entering the link. So that's how you'll be able to create a slideshow on Payhip. And if you would like to add more products, you can do that by tap on add image. You can also scroll down and you can adjust how the slideshow appears. So you can adjust the height and also the different dimensions of the slideshow. And you can also make the slideshow autoplay by selecting autoplay right there. So you can adjust how it appears. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save changes once more. And if it is a case that you would like to add a page, you'll tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then you could select custom page, and you can enter in your page title and tap on add. That's how you'll be able to add a page. If we were to go back, you can edit each section. So you could tap on the about me section. Then you could tap on replace, and you could replace the image. You can also edit the text right there. And again, you can change the color scheme, and you can adjust the background. After doing that, we'll simply go back. And by going back, you can adjust each section. So we could tap on footer right there, and you could edit the footer section, as you can see it right here. So you could edit that also if you want. You can change the color scheme. You can also add navigation links by tapping on add navigation links. You could tap on add link, and you can add the different pages and links right there. It's quite easy to set up. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on publish before you exit it. So we'll tap on publish right here, and your website will now be live. So if I were to tap on visit your site, you can see how it looks, and that's it. Better yet, before exiting, what I would recommend you do, once you have set your website to live, you'll tap on continue editing. Then you're going to tap on the three dots in the top left hand corner, select exit builder. After exiting the builder, what you'll need to do next is set up the different payment options that you would like to offer. To access the different payment options, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on account. After selecting account, from there you're going to tap on settings. Once you have tapped on settings, you're going to select payment details, and from here you'll be able to link your PayPal account and your Stripe account. After doing that, if it is a case you're selling physical products, you can select shipping, and you could put in your shipping details right there, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.